Can't believe it's hailing.
Relax. Look at how big they are.
It says it's not raining. What a lying weather thing.
Darling,
Look.
when I lived in Montana, I got caught in a
You lived in
hailstorm.
Montana?
I did.
Where?
I
Huh?
lived in a
Over
town
here, they're all
called
in the chair.
Havre.
Here.
I know where Havre is. I grew up in Billings.
Oh, no way.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Small world.
Yes.
I was just going to tell her.
Full size.
Well, and I had a brand new car.
Yeah.
Now see, that's what Vallejo
Well, I
has.
know they
Vallejo's
have no